We have a new arrival today at Westport Auto Center. This is a stunning 1963 R-Code Galaxie 500, 427, dual 4-barrel, real deal R-Code, 757 miles on a frame-off history restoration. That's the real deal. Just killer car. Very rare car. Getting harder and harder to come by. And this one is nice. I mean nice. Super strong running. Fantastic paint. All the chrome trim bright work is extremely nice. Just a really nice car. Get some underneath pictures. Put it on a rack. There'll be about over 100 detailed pictures. But just all the chrome, the trim, the bright work on this car. Body lines, panels, fantastic. Paint's like looking into a mirror. This is just a nice car. Again, these are getting harder and harder to find. This is priced well under the restoration cost, fraction of what it would cost to restore. Package tray. Down this paint. All the trim. Corner windows, which we all know usually are pretty shabby looking on a lot of these old Galaxies. 427. Side oiler. Love this car. Just got it in, wiped it down, taken some pictures. Everything on the car works. The only thing, including a radio, the factory clock is intermittent, so we're gonna say the factory clock doesn't work. But everything else on the car works and functions as it should. Car runs and drives extremely strong. I do not have somebody with me today. It's a 4-speed. I am not that talented to steer, shift, and use the camera. So that video will be coming shortly. A full drive video. But gosh, dang. Love this. Red on black. Street machine, that's for sure. Just the attention to detail on the restoration. Gotta love it. Interior lights. Just set the clock, you hear the radio. Just nicely done. Door shut fantastic. So this is a winner here. Definitely a rare car. Very few for sale at any given time, but underneath of this car, like the top of the car, it's just an expensive restoration was done on this Galaxie. 757 miles on the restoration. We'll get a drive video shortly.